Guys, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet Gospel. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make orange peel cream. This orange peel cream I'm going to show you guys is very active. It's natural. It's just with natural ingredients, orange, cornstarch, and vitamin E. These are the ingredients we are going to use. Please watch the video to the end, and if you have any question that you want to ask me after watching the video, you can drop it on a comment section. Let's go straight to the point. So guys, we need an orange. So I'm going to, first of all, you wash the orange well. So after washing the orange, you glitter the orange. I'm going to glitter it right now. So guys, this is my orange peel. Orange peel. The next step is I'm going to cook it like 10 minutes. I'll cook the orange peel like 10 minutes. To cook it for 10 minutes. And put it in a pot to cook for 10 minutes. You add half cup of water and cook for 10 minutes. So guys, this is the orange peel that I cook. I'm going to sieve it now. So guys, this is my orange peel. This is the juice I get from the orange peel. So we keep it aside. In another bowl, you put 1 spoon of cornstarch with half cup of water and half cup of water. You mix it very well. You mix it very well. Add the cornstarch mixture to the orange peel mixture. Add it together and turn it very well. Now we are going to cook it again. When you put the mixture in a pot and cook it again. You cook it until it become thick like cream. You will cook the mixture in a low heat. You will be turning it. So guys, I'm going to add vitamin E. I'm using one vitamin E capsule on it. So guys, use the cream and massage your face very well. After 30 minutes you wash it off. So guys, this is end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm begging you, subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.